All right, everybody, how you guys all doing out there tonight? Welcome one, welcome all. We are going to try to see what we got going on here. Well, it's still Bitcoin bearish, Litecoin bullish, right? So, I mean, here's the thing, we're still trapped in this sideways channel. Look at these pokey pokes, right? Little porcupine poke, little porcupine poke, little porcupine poke. But we're still moving absolutely just parallel in this white channel right here, right? We're just cruising parallel in this white channel. And I mean, we've been going sideways now for, wow, a long time. I can also see this is our small little rising channel right here, little bullish channel. And I can also see this as a wedge. I can still play this off as a wedge here. There's no reason I can't, just slide that up wick to wick and just keep this in this wedge channel here. Now, I mean, this actually plays out a little bit better, like going up to there, like this, that might be a little bit better there. Come down to there, do something like that, but like that would just make this a much more bearish channel, right? That would just be a flag. That's just going to turn this into a big, ugly flag. Right? If this is your channel right here, right? Hold on a second, so I'll take this off. Yeah, let's do this, right? We'll pull this down. We'll do something like this. Right, so we still got the big head and shoulders there, but now we're also putting in this kind of bearish flag right here, right? And if that's a bearish flag, you basically take from here to here, right? If it loses the bottom, you're just going to take it from there to there, and that puts us right in that 7K range, right? Where we know we have that gap here, right? We got the little gap open here. And if this is just a flag, right? So this would be, those would be your poles, right? There's 1 to 1 on those, and then, that's just kind of, I mean, it's still playing out like that, right? Possible flag, right? Now, if that flag happens, right, if we look at that flag, and that flag plays up something like this, right, and we doot, 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 and then doot, 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 right, something like that, you just kind of confirm this big, ugly head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And then if this is a head and shoulders, then your target is going to be more like 6,500 there, right? Now you're going to have some support, right in here at the 7K, right? But I mean, I really think if you fall out and this is a head and shoulders, your first support's going to be 7, where that is right there. That's like about 7K to 6,500 is kind of where, you got to bop around in your supports right there. Yeah, so that's kind of my thunk on BTC right now. I know my chart is really, really messy right now. Right, I know it's super messy right now. But there's no reason this can't come up. Right? Yeah, there's no reason that can't come up. Still to there. Play out for that nice head and shoulders. Maybe throw a wiki wick over. You know, but like for me, it's just we're still trapped. We're just trapped sideways, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I like being trapped sideways right now. It's actually a good thing. It's really weird because we're trapped sideways, right? Right. This is what is very weird. This is perfect. We are moving sideways, and why aren't alts popping right now? Right? Why aren't alts popping right now? Like when we get in this stable area, you know, you really want alts to just be popping right now, because this is what BTC wants, right? Now, and I've said this to everybody: LTC is bull, BTC is bear, right? And I'm just going to continue to say that. But why in the hell aren't the alts just popping off right now? Right? And this is my conundrum. Why isn't that? Oh, Tietro. Hey, buddy. Tietro's going to share a chart with us. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I do. I like it. I do. I do. I do. See, this is the thing, man. I see BTC as bearish. And that tweezer bottom just never worked out. Look at your support, though. There's your 200 MA. Just kind of paused on it there, right there in the 3-day. Look how well it worked kind of here, you know. Bang, 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 bang. And then finally fell out. Now we're using that as support. But man, we are just moving absolutely sideways right here. You know what? Let's go. We're going to check all the chart skis. There's the 2-week right there, just ferociously still ugly. That is a horrific ugly. Monthly, not really anything. Monthly doesn't look that bad. I don't see any crazy crosses or anything like that. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, everything looks okay. Alts popping, BTC flat, which is weird because, you know, alts are running up, but they're just not, right? They're not running up right now, right? Which is what's bugging me out right now, because alts are not popping. So we broke the bearish line on the 333, right? Broke the bear line, and then check this out: the green line bounced on the bear line. We've had a huge bounce on it, and it's still out of the resistance area, which is good. But this still has to close is the issue. You know, you get a long day ahead of you. I mean, this thing can just wrap right back over. You know, when you do peak under this with this blue line, though, that's not good. Not good at all. Not healthy. The gap, look, there's the huge gap. We still have the gap open. The gap is still empty. It goes deep. It actually goes all the way down to here, 71 and change. I wonder if that could be playing out as a triangle of some kind. That's possible. You can definitely see a little bit of a triangle right there. All right, maybe something like that. I like that. I do like that. Yeah, I mean, I know the alts are popping a little bit, but it's not like they should just be going crazy right now. What else am I gonna do before I look at that? I want to peek at the RSI. Let's do this also. So basically, I said, hey, there's that trend line up there, right? And it needs to get tested, but it's been rejected. Okay. $30 MA was our rejection point on the daily. Oh man, that baby moved up. 78.99. $80.74. Bounced off the 236. check out the OBV 3-day trend line. I mean, it is just kissing. It's just kissing it right there. Like, it's like, no, I'm not going to fall out. I'm going to bounce. I'm on it. There we go. Oh, nice. All right, so we got the 7 MA and the 30 MA on the daily and the squeeze. Right? I mean, it's nothing. The 3-day OBV, testing the trend line now. Look at that. That support line turned into resistance. Hey Todd, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, BC. I was looking at ADA also. I was definitely looking at ADA. It's trying to make a little run for it for sure. Okay, so we do have a 12-hour bear cross on BTC, and it is coming, and just be prepared because there's gonna be a bear cross. It's gonna be on Bitcoin in 5 hours. Bitcoin needs to get over 81.40. 81.40 in 5 hours. Okay, BTC needs to get over 8140 in the next 4.5 hours, or a 30-50 bear cross is coming. It will at least touch. Okay. Not if we can't break out over this bear cross. You know, the good news is just going to touch. Right? It's just going to touch. Right? It's just going to touch. Got to get over 8140 here. You know, let's see how potent this cross is. Yeah. 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 Yeah, it can poke up over it. It can poke up over it, but it's just going to go like this, I think, if it pokes up over it. So you go, whee, and it's going to go like that. That's what's going to happen if we can't get over it. Or it's just going to go. Does that look like a penis? A little awkward. A little awkward. Oops. Ah. I'll draw it on. Let's try that again. Either it's going to go straight down. Oh my god, that's horrible. How can I not do it? Freaking thingy-ma-bobber. Right? Or it's going to go up and then down. Yeah, I can check link. Oops. I want to say the bulls need to break over 8250. In order to get outside of the range of that baby. Nope. Ooh, man. 12-hour tightened up. 12-hour is gonna explode. That 12 hours tight. And the daily is tight. Two days tight. It's all good stuff. Is on these supports. I mean, this is all these Bollinger Bands. These bad boys are just tightening up. Hey Daniel, how you doing, buddy? All the BBs are getting tight. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at Daniel. Let's take a look at Daniel's chart here. See what Daniel's got. Baba Yaga, the boogeyman. I love it. Yep, the boogeyman. Yeah, Phoenix. It's a little bit different chart. Can you change that to log and not log? I don't think I can do it. You gotta, can you change this to log? You just go down here, there's log, unlog, right? Try to adjust that so you can see if those trend lines line up. That's what I was looking at. I was just seeing if the trend lines are broken. Oh, EOS, man. Yeah, I don't like EOS right now. I'm gonna go take a look at EOS in just a second. All right, nothing. Gauss trend lines. We were under. It's good support. You know, you've got these bullish double bottoms here, right? These bullish double bottoms. Got these bullish, still got those bullish double bottoms on the, right, TDI, small bull signal on the 12-hour and daily with those double bottoms. Yeah, I can check out. I see scroll. I see it tanked. I was watching that. Somebody's dumping. I think somebody's not happy that's not getting listed on something. We had a big chat in the in their Telegram group, and one of the things I was discussing was the fact that I felt that a lot of us didn't feel safe with our tokens on the existing exchanges. Like, dude, there's no way I would feel safe if I had my tokens on Bitfinex. Just no way. Just not a chance. Not a chance. still a bear bounce area. I mean, this is a bear bounce area. This red area is a bear bounce, and we bounced right in the red area. You know? The MACD says we bounced from a bear bounce area. Nothing. Oh, no. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I get the hiccups. So usually this happens when the bull line hits the histogram line, right? So if we look back historically, you know, when these two come down together, like look at this, they'll just rock together. You know, they have a little party. All right, they definitely have a little party. And it definitely happens a lot. You know, when you look, there it is again, right there. You know, these whenever these come down, this just likes to have this little disco party thing. Right? So let me capture this. Yeah, the rebranding thing was kind of wah wah wah. But my true thing, I think they rebranded because there's another scroll, and I think they're rebranding. See, this is what happens right there. Oh, let's do that a little bit bigger. Boom. See what I'm talking about? Like, so this is when the orange. Histo. So there's what I put. I just put that basically these two lines come together, and then what happens is they kind of dance. They dance together for a while, and then the PA dumps, right? I said this dancing causes erratic price action, most likely taking out shorts before dumping. So Bernie, that's what we were talking about. Like it needs to get listed on a regulated exchange. It just needs to be on a safer exchange. The exchanges that are it's on right now are just they're bad exchanges, right? They're not safe. They're low liquidity. I mean, Phoenix, of course, we all know the issues with Phoenix, right? And I don't like having scroll on Phoenix, first of all, is not a good choice. Like, do you want to be on a more crappier, scammy exchange? Like, that's it. That's like the crappy, scammy exchange, like 2.0. Right? Just doesn't get any crappier or scammier. WMA still holding, right? May still holding. This is bullish. Longs to shorts, just kind of chilling. Like nobody's out of whack. The shorts are a little in the oversold area. That's it. RSI just drop below that support line. Testing. It's testing to try to get back up over it. That's a pretty bearish cross right there. On the weekly on the Stoke. Daily Stoke definitely trending bearish. 12-hour Stoke, yeah, still bullish. Chalk and money flow. Look at that chalk and money flow. Okay, this is going to be super important, right? Like to me, if this breaks right here, like this will be very, very important to me, right? CMF still holding the wedges. Okay, nope. Okay, let's go way back here. We gotta get our there we go. Do we have 4 minutes to close out this candle? No, I didn't look at the daily. Let's go breeze through here. Like that's a 4-hour hanging man. That's not exactly the most bullish candle you want to see right now. That's not a good candle. 6 hour. A lot of take profit twos on the long call. 12 hour. That's not a bad candle. It's not a bad candle. Volume sucks. Right? It's not. I mean, it's okay. The volume will pick up. That'll be not a bad volume bar. Daily. That was a hanging man candle yesterday. Not a good candle once again to put in. Not a good candle at all. Let's see if we put a new 3-day. Yeah, no, partially into a 2-day. New 3-day. That was not a good candle right there. That closing out that candle was pretty ugly. Just looks like I said, just looks like a yeah. All right, let's peeky. Watching Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, Litecoin. That's the key. Just watching that. We'll just breeze through here. Listen, Raven is a hold for me. I'm just gonna hold. Ride or die, biatches. SV, I'm holding SV. I still think this is gonna bounce up. I'm just gonna hold this. I'm not worried. I'm from down deep. If it breaks these 170, I'll look at dumping and then picking up at the 150 area. Man, EOS not looking good. EOS in this falling wedge right here still. Like, not looking healthy. The good thing is you've got EOS has got a bleeding 9, so that's good. But aside from that, this is not looking very good right here. I wish I could tell you something better. It's funny because the majors, like, this looks good right here, right? Like, this looks good. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Like, that looks like a... Like, doesn't this look like shoulder, head, shoulder, right? S. Big S. Right? H. S. Right? Doesn't that look like a head and shoulders right there? Inverted, of course. Like, that's what that looks like. This looks better than, for sure. This looks better than this. I could be doing an A&E bottom possibly. EOS USD looks better than EOS BTC. EOS USD is trying its hardest to make a INVHNS. Link chilling, just moving sideways. 88, like, very nice. Like, 88 looks good, right? 88 still looks like right? Yeah. Looking good. I will be looking for a break. Wasn't there news here? Wasn't there news? ADA news. I have to ask Malik. Like knowers. I like this. That looks like, that's nice right there. ETH bear cross. 12-hour bear cross. Not if, not and, not but. Going to close in 4 hours. Litecoin, once again, the strongest thing out there. Let's see if this bad boy can put in one more little higher high. One more little higher high. EPT, a lot of people watching this. It's in this rising wedge. You also got a another trend line right here. You see it's kind of stalled out right here. It's going to need to break out hard. Seller, not bad. Seller's doing good. Like, came back, fell out of the wedge, tested the wedge, fell out, tested the wedge, trying to run. Seller looks good. Seller's not looking bad. Right? Alright, seller's not looking bad. So what we need to do is seller. Not looking bad here. Trying to break out of the lower wedge. Boom. ONT. Meh. BNB's looking good. BNB's actually looking good. BNB broke out. Nice breakout by BNB. Right? Nice breakout. I know they got the halving coming at the, well, they're going to burn, big token burn. So remember, don't forget, token burn on the 30th. All right, that should be really good. Quark trying, held the 618, really trying. RLC, I am playing this. I got a small bag of it. I picked it up way deep. That's an ugly candle though. Alright, RLC. This was an ugly daily candle. Wow. Yeah, I might just layer some stop losses. That's an ugly candle right there. Walton Chain, chilling. Scroll, just eating butt, man. Jesus Lord. Somebody just dumped the living bejesus out of Scroll. You know, and I wonder who it was. Somebody's mad and they just dumped a ton of Scroll. Alright. So I know that a guy had So if you guys know what happened, somebody stole 500,000 tokens from someone. They stole 500,000 tokens. And I think this is them. The guy just dumped 500,000 tokens on the market. Fuck, I mean, that guy just got, you know, what is that? 50 grand? $50,000, stole 500,000 tokens. Do not send people your info or anything online. This was a huge scam. The guy lost everything. Sucks for all of us. Okay, so I'm watching one, and so I was looking at one right here. There's a possible play. God, I'm so not tempted to play one. I'm so tempted to play it, but I'm too tired. I'm gonna play it when I'm awake. All right. So. I mean, the problem is these two bear crosses on the 4 hours. It's kind of trying to test the 786. I don't know. I set an 8 there. Yeah. Risky play. Cosmo just grinding it out. Broke out of the wedge. Trying to get up. Not doing bad. Fett, kind of, yeah, just chilling. Matic. Ooh, big dump on Matic. Bat. Turd taking a turd. See, this is what I'm talking about, people. There's just nothing. Like, these are all taking a turd. Everything here is taking a turd. Right? Nothing is looking good. Right? None of these alts are looking good at all. Like, I really think that, like, everybody's like, hey, we're going to play BNB right now, or we're going to play, like, we're going to play LTC, right? I mean, those are pretty much the two top picks you have right now. And yeah, I know there's a bunch of other scam coins everybody's looking at. But, yeah, oh, Matic. Oh, hold on a second. Matic! Yeah, that's funny. Ha! That's good, man. I like it. Yeah, I just, you know. So, let's do a summary. I'll do a summary over here, right? That's hilarious. Summary. We still have lots of bearish signs. Just gonna chill and let the market figure out a direction. I am not with any large positions other than LTC as stops. Right? You know, I just think, okay, so let's do this. Alts are also risky here, as I don't know why they are not popping with this perfect BTC sideways movement. The gap below is 71.75. The CBOE gap is 6,500. Closes on June 19th. That is the area to really watch here. All right, that's the area you really got to watch right there. Right, and for me, I mean, for me, you know, still, okay. LTC is still bullish, but at a resistance. $147 is where this could run on a breakout, right? BTC and ETH both have bear crosses on the 12-hour. That's awesome. Bulls need to break over 82.50 to avoid the cross in the next 4 hours. Right. Hub. What else? I am limiting my exposure to alts. Is it? Peak says it's from a tune advert. I love it. All right, that's it. Hey, Pink, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, I would really, really, really just say, hey, just limit your exposure to alts, okay? Johnny West Salmon, love it. All right, everybody. So, listen, we have had some absolutely amazing calls. I completely forgot to show the channel. I'm sure you guys will turn this video off by this time. I am the Vamp. We are from Trading Associates, nailing out some amazing calls as usual. Love to have you come on over and join us. And I'm the Vamp. We got Peak in the house, one of the moderators. Love to have everybody come check us out. And I am off for the night. Good night, everybody.